Alright, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Elimelech from Lezhensk. This week's Parshas, Parshas Shmos, which is the first reading in the book of Exodus. It says of an Israel, Parov Yishritzu, and the children of Israel are fruitful, and they swarmed. Says the Heilige Rebbe Elimelech, Paro Yeshloimer Hulashon Peris. When it says they were fruitful, it means it's a term that's related to fruit. What does it mean? The Hainali the Kedusha Samosu Peris. That meaning through their sanctity and holiness, they were fruitful. They produced some good spiritual fruits. Yishritzu. What does it mean that they swarmed? In Genesis it says that the waters should swarm with living beings, and the birds should fly upon the earth. Yishlemer Perish, some say the explanation is as follows. Within the four elements of earth, wind, water, and fire, most of the human body is water. We know that scientifically. Umayim Nikra Torah. And the Torah is represented by the archetype of water. What does that mean? That when a person studies Torah, he should be humble. So Remes Yishritzu. That's what it means they should swarm. Animals, they're called shratzim, the swarming, creeping animals, are very low to the ground, lizards and snakes and bugs and rodents and things. Nefesh Chaya, there's a living soul, that through this there'll be life into the soul. It'll be enlivened. And the birds flying on the earth, means even that the material body of a human being will fly away and rise up with tremendous holiness. So that's why it says that the Israelites produced fruit, they were fruitful, and they swarmed. Swarming, it means that they were very humble, and so we should all be worthy to be humble and then to receive the blessings of the Torah. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.